Hello, Mica's here. Today we are gonna make some mini frogs with wings. I hope you enjoy. Take a skewer and gently roll it out on one side to make it more round. I also pinched the booty. Grab a piece of clay and roll it out. We are gonna make the legs now. Cut 2 even pieces and attach them to the back of the frog, as close to each other as you can. Take a sharp tool or a needle and blend it into the body. I grabbed the leg and I bent it back and then forward. I repeated this on the other side. With a sharp tool, I cut out triangles from the feet to make the little toes. Now we are making the arms. I used the same tool I used on feet and I cut out smaller triangles. I messed up a little bit and instead of 3 fingers, I gave him 2. Now with the same tool, I arrange the hands. With the bulb tool, I make indents for the eyes and then I texture the frog. I add pinball eyes into the indents. To make different kinds of eyes, I cut a sphere in half and roll the 2 halves into little balls. I put them on either side of the head. Then, using a sharp tool, I blend it into the body. Different kinds of eyes add different characteristics to the frog, so it's good to experiment with them. Add pinball eyes. Take 2 circles and pinch them on one side to create wings. I'm using here a ball tool to create texture on the wings. After this, I pinch them again in the same spot. Using a ball tool, I make 2 indents at the back where I want my wings to go. I fill the hole with liquid Sculpey. I wipe the excess and then I retexture the frog. I place the wing into the hole. Using a sharp tool, I blend it into the body. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I take the ball tool and I texture the wings from the bottom. And that's how you make a mini frog with wings. Here are the 2 different frogs I made. To paint the frog, I gave it a dark green undertone. I also painted the wings light blue. Using a dry brush, I wiped the excess off of it, and I dry brushed lighter green onto the frog. I did this around 4 times. I repeated the same thing on the wings. I like to add Mica powder to make stuff shiny. Make sure to tap off any excess. With a needle, I gently scraped off the paint from the eyes. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.